Hi everyone! Today I'm going to use this beautiful palette. All the names are in Spanish. I understand Spanish and can speak Spanish words, but I sound pretty ridiculous, so I'm going to just apologize ahead of time. And yeah, let's get started. We're gonna use this palette and all the beautiful colors to create this eye look that I have on right now. This means savage, so I at least know how to ask Alexa how to say this. Alexa, how do you say savage in Spanish?
Savage in Spanish is salvaje.
And like, that was actually a pretty good pronunciation, so salvaje. That's as close as I'm gonna get. I'm sorry. Blame my mama. I just have really bad pronunciation. Don't blame me. Also, sorry mom, if you're watching, but I mean, who else am I gonna blame? And we are going to do a really gorgeous red eye look. I'm gonna start with this color right here, Lola. And these are really pigmented, so you have to be super careful. I'm just gonna blend that right there. I'm using a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush to get this Lola color in there. And the next color I'm going to use is this red right here, Sangria, and I have that on a Sigma E70 angled shading brush. And then with Lola, again, I'm going to take this mini round brush from Luxie and just put it underneath my eye. Then with another Sigma E70, I'm going to pick up this Malbec. And I want to be really careful with this, but I want it just in my crease. It's a little bit darker than the Sangria. And then using another one of my Luxie brushes, this is my mini angled brush, I'm going to take Estrella. Like I said, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And I'm going to put it right in the center, close to my lash line. And I'm going to take that Estrella and mix it a tiny bit with Luna and put it right in the inside here. It makes it a little bit lighter. So I pretty much got all the colors that I want on there, and now I'm just going to blend. For blending, I use a very, very fluffy brush. It's A23 from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just go over everything. I'm going to take a tiniest bit of Sangria and put it on this outer corner too. And I want that to stay pretty pigmented, but I'm also going to blend it out a tiny bit at the edges. So I'm going to go finish my face and I'll be right back. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize to Colorpop. Becky G, my mama, all you Spanish speakers out there, I'm sorry. I know my pronunciations were super, super bad. Salvaje. That's bad. I know. I'm sorry. Salvaje.
Salvaje.
Lola.
Lola.
Sangria.
Sangría.
Estrella.
Estrella.